Hey Leo, and welcome to the Sacred Lotus Temple. My name is Danae, and this is your general reading. This may not resonate with all of you, so do not try to force it and only take what does. Please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to this channel. If you would like to get in contact with me for a personal reading, you can find all of the details in the description box below. I have already pre-shuffled and meditated over all these cards. And I have set my intentions to allow Spirit to use me as the vessel to provide you with the messages that you need to hear and not just what you want to hear. So let's go ahead and dive in. I'm going to pull all of the cards and then I'm going to read them to you. Page of Wands, Page of Pentacles, the Sun, the Lovers. This is a really good spread. Ace of Cups, Eight of Swords. Sorry, I forgot how to count. Page of Swords, and the Two of Pentacles. A lot of new journeys are coming. There's going to be some type of new journey or adventure that's going to give you a new creative energy will begin to flow through you. This journey is going to allow, within this journey or adventure, possibly a trip where you're traveling far, is going to give you like major ideas of creativity. And keep in mind, with this journey where you travel far, it may not be physically. You may read a book and it kind of transfers you into this book world, so to speak, or this fantasy world, and you get major ideas, and it leads you to a space of maybe wanting to write your own book. Okay, it could be you actually do go on a trip and you see some amazing attractions and you decide that you want to blog about it. You may astral project, and when you come back into your body, you remember exactly what you saw, and so you teach on it. You have whatever you would see as being some type of new journey or adventure. It is going to bring you into a space where you will have significant creative downloads, and it will push you into like the forefront of your life. So instead of you hiding behind other people, you are going to start shining, Leo. You are going to shine and let people essentially hear your roar. Like, people are going to see you and recognize you. Okay? With this Lovers card, what I'm getting is that you're going to really because of the experience and because of like your newfound fame, you're really going to fall in love with who you are and how you show up authentically. It's kind of like I'm getting the energy of like there's a rebirth. You know, you are able to share your creative beauty with the world. There's a beautiful like peace and stillness about this episode. There's a lot of love and attention put into this relationship that you're building with your new self. You have walked away from a lot of negative beliefs that just weren't of your own. They were things that you believed because someone in your past told you these things. Someone may have told you that you couldn't do something because you didn't have this, or you couldn't do something because you were this, you know? It's like when they say, oh, you can't do that, you're just a girl, right? And then you show them that you're able to, you showed them that you were able to get through anything. Take this time to allow yourself to receive insight. Not insight. Intuitive downloads, right? And be insightful. Allow yourself to grow and to harmonize with this new person that you're becoming. Spirit, is there anything else that Leo needs to know? We have the Hierophant. Maybe some advice. We have the Star card. And we have the Two of Swords. Make sure that you guys are believing what you believe to be true, and not just believe what other people have taught you. Create your own rituals. I'm being told to tell you to evaluate and then reevaluate your belief system to make sure that what you practice, what you preach, what you teach is truly the spiritual or religious journey that is right for you. There may be some things that you need to change. There may be some things that you may need to add. Maybe some beliefs need to be removed. Okay? You may also be getting a better understanding of certain aspects of the world that you didn't see before. You may possibly be having going through a spiritual ascension that's allowing you to have a different view of the world, not just the physical world, but the spiritual world. And you may decide to incorporate that understanding into your new beliefs. Everything that's going on during this cycle for you, Leo, is essentially to get you to upgrade. Now I'm hearing that song by Beyonce and Jay-Z, and she's talking about let me upgrade you. All right, but you have to make that decision. You have to make that decision to allow the upgrade to happen, and understand that there may be some uncomfortable moments, but get comfortable in the idea of knowing that those moments will not last forever, and it's a part of the process that is necessary for your upgrade. Okay? Let's close this out with a spirit animal oracle card, okay? Now with these cards, this may be an animal or bug that you may have seen recently. It could be your favorite animal or bug. It might even be your spirit animal. There we go. Okay. And we have the White Raven Spirit, Trust in Magic. This is card number 66. I want to read the oracle message to you all. So just give me a moment. And it says, nothing in the universe is random. For the intricate web of co-creation weaves together all events and has done so since the beginning of time. Coincidences have meaning. The White Raven Spirit appears to remind you to pay attention to these synchronicities so that you might recognize patterns. Even the winds dance in a pattern, participating in the magic of Spirit's plan for all. Align with the highest good and intentions, and you will come to see that White Raven is guiding you, an ally to you and a messenger from Spirit. Align with the light, and you will start to recognize that all is working together, harmoniously and in ways the eye can't always see, and the mind can't always comprehend. The universe is conspiring on your behalf right now, drawing you to the light and bringing you the magic and miracles that are your birthright. Now is the time to trust in the magic of the world that is everywhere and in all things. Pay attention to how things come together as if by magic, and you will see the land of Great Spirit arranging things in your favor. That's beautiful. All right, Leo. Thank you so much for being here with me today and watching this video. Please let me know in the comments what your thoughts are and if anything resonated with you. I love you guys so very much. And as always, take care of yourself and take care of each other. All right, Leo, bye. Have a great day.